So how do you make money with affiliate marketing? So for you to make money with affiliate marketing, there are 3 key steps you need to follow. One step is to understand what are the requirements of an affiliate marketer. So you must first choose a topic that you want to talk about. You see, let's say you are doing wellness, weight loss, content. Make content on that topic. Be consistent on that topic and make sure that you have chosen a social media platform. I'll recommend TikTok because TikTok is just, imagine posting a video and getting 200 views and there is a probability of going viral. Imagine getting 10,000 views. How many people or clients you can get from just a video? And like going viral on Instagram, it's really hard. Same case to YouTube. And right now, TikTok is competing with YouTube. So there's high probability of succeeding on TikTok. So I've said, choose a topic, make content on that topic. How do you make content? Go to ChatGPT and make content. Ask for topics on ChatGPT about your topic and create for the next 30 days and post it on TikTok. The second step is finding an offer to promote. So there are many affiliate programs out there. You have Digistore24 and ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVSU. You have to register with each platform. But after registering, you have to find the product that you can sell. Most of these products have very pathetic sales page. No one can buy their products because of the sales page. So go and filter out and figure out the product that you really like and that you can really promote. Last but not least is to just add a CTA in your content. Ask people to click on the link in your bio. For you to make money, you have to refer people to buy through your link. And when they buy, you earn a commission. So if you are getting this concept for this first time and you want to learn more on affiliate marketing, you can reach out to me, comment interested, because there's a course for you for just less than $20 and you will learn all the concepts on how to make money with affiliate marketing.